You'd be surprised how much you can find in your own city if you just search for studio spaces, creative spaces where you can shoot content. I'm really glad I found this place, and I'm wrapping up. I'm gonna go home, edit my photos, and get them ready. Good morning. It is 8:45 a.m. I have a photo shoot today at a local studio at 9:45, and I am going to be getting ready to do some brand photo shoots for content, as well as my ebook for nano influencers and learning how to monetize social media. I thought it would be cool to go ahead and just document this whole process, because I am doing the majority of this entire launch by myself. I'm just gonna get myself ready, do my makeup. I silk pressed my hair last night and it has gotten so long, y'all. It's like all the way down here. So I'm excited to wear my hair like that. It's getting ready to be 2023. New year, new me. And I'm just about to level up 100% all the way. I got some Fenty foundation, of course. e.l.f. concealer, which I really love. I bought the NARS concealer and it was just, it wasn't the same. And I'm learning that when it comes to makeup, you really just have to do what's best for you. And sometimes the most expensive products don't work the same as the drugstore. Got some e.l.f. powder. Now, I do prefer Laura Mercier, but the type of powder that I bought is actually too dark for my skin for me to bake, and I need to get the light translucent powder. With me getting ready to release this book, I feel like one of the main things I really want to get across is the fact that there is so much that a creator is able to do, and you're able to start where you are and have great results. So I am a huge fan of outsourcing, and this year, for a very long time, it's like the first time I was able to really outsource a lot of the tasks that I needed done for this book, because I'm usually just hyper independent and I just want to do everything myself. But this time I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hire professionals to help me so that I could just focus on creating more than anything. And I have freed up so much of my time. I feel like when it comes to photography, that's just something that I personally want to do myself, only because I have really gotten great over the years. In addition to just, photographers are expensive. So any way that I can cut my expenses as a business owner, I'm going to do that. So I'm a huge advocate for doing as much as you can by yourself. Just did something really simple with my eyes, y'all. I cannot talk and do my makeup at the same time without taking too much time. Luckily, I packed my bag last night, so all I have to do is get to the studio and get dressed. I got some Kiss lashes, lash glue, all done, getting ready to head to the studio. I am a little behind, but it's okay because I made sure to book at least 2 hours, because I'm taking the photos myself and I don't know how long it's going to take me to get my angles. So I've given myself enough time to get into, I brought about 6 outfits, so we're going to do it all. So I'm really excited though. I decided not to take my hair down until I actually get to the studio, because my hair is trying to revert back to its natural curls, and I'm trying to have this silk press as long as I can. So the trick that I'm going to use today is wear my hair short. I said short, wear it straight, but I am going to do some kind of loose curls at the bottom for a different look. And then I'm going to pin my hair up and do another look. That way I could try to get 3 different hairstyles in one, so that it looks like I've shot these photos at different times, different days. So that's how I'm gonna do that. That way my hair is just not bone straight in every single photo. We are getting ready to pull up, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I'm already in outfit 1. So now I'm going to take my hair down. I don't know if I need earrings. So this is the garage on York. I shot here in this office area. They have a lounge area that's all white. It's really pretty. In addition to this area with the couch, they got a lot of greenery. And I also shot inside here where they have a variety of different kitchens. And they're actually building out more kitchen areas too, TVs, just to really make it look like a home. It's really nice. You'd be surprised how much you can find in your own city if you just search for studio spaces, creative spaces where you can shoot content. I mean, the options are endless here in Cincinnati, so I'm really glad I found this place, and I'm wrapping up, and I'm gonna go home, edit my photos, and get them ready.
I wanted to close off this vlog by saying that you are more than capable of being able to capture the high quality content that you want for your brand. All you need is a phone, a camera, a tripod, a self-timer, some confidence, and some looks to pull, and the possibilities are endless. I'm so glad that you all were able to come behind the scenes with me on my shoot, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.